Hi, this is Jeff from Aquabot, and today we'll be unboxing the Aquabot Turbo T2 Plus. One of the great things about this cleaner is that it's an in-ground cleaner, it's low maintenance, it has a 3-year limited warranty, and comes with a free caddy. The first thing you'll notice when you open up the box is the actual cleaner itself. It comes with a 60-foot cable, complete with a patented Aquabot Swivel, and we recommend this cleaner for pools that are about 50 foot in length. Next, we have the user manual along with the warranty registration card. Warranty registration card should take you about 5 minutes to fill out online. Very easy. Next, we have bottom lid assembly kits and flotation kits. Next, we have a bumper kit, and I'm going to explain that in a minute. We have the power supply. These power supplies are durable, trouble-free, and as you can see, are packed pretty nicely. The Aquabot Turbo T2 Plus actually comes with a digital power supply that you can set from 1 to 7 hours accordingly. And if we look right here on the bottom, we have an all-in-one included in the box, a caddy. This caddy is very easy to install, and you can use it to transport your pool cleaner around the pool, or just simply for storage. Now, a minute ago we were talking about kits. First we'll talk about the bumper kit. Should your pool be a concrete gunite pool, there is a possibility that you might get some rubbing up on here. But we've decided to cover you so you can install one bumper on one side and one bumper on the other. This will help prevent from the side plates scratching up, and will actually give you a better kick and turn when the pool cleaner has to turn within the program. If you're not getting the right amount of suction from your cleaner, we've included bottom lid assembly kits. These are very easy to install on the bottom of the cleaner, and we've included flotation kits as well. If you find that your cleaner isn't reaching the top of the pool where the water line is, install one by one. Instructions are very easy, and we just want to make sure that you have peace of mind with the cleaner, and if anything should come up, we've got you covered. That's the Aquabot Turbo T2 Plus.